Hi guys, how are you? All right, admin join. Team goes joining admin call. Admin. All right, guys, let's start. So I am going to share what's this USDT and Nasdaq. So this my screen. This was my setup. I think I posted it on YouTube, and this one is still going to be posted on YouTube. And then we had a sell somewhere around this level. I removed it because the chart was going to be too messy. So our target was here. And then when was it? Let me check. I think this day we had a sell. Thursday we had a sell. Let me check something. We had a sell somewhere here, and then it took us out. And then I think somewhere around this level we managed to sell. If not here, I don't remember, but we managed to sell. So, all right. But this is what we are focusing on. We are looking forward to see at least USDT come to this level before it continues to the upside. So in this case, we have an aggressive move to the downside. So I've seen a lot of people on social media and some of the groups I'm in, they're busy saying buy USDT, buy USDT. It's not the right time to buy USDT because we are still on a downtrend. You don't want to be trading against the trend. So the best thing is to wait. For a setup. Because I just noticed that there are a lot of traders who are just trading. They just place trade. They don't even know what they are doing. They make money out of luck, and this is not all about luck. It's about analyzing, doing the right thing, executing at the right time. So you see, from me, I said it was going to come here. It did reach here. So let's remove this 1 minute. Sorry about that. So I came back. So okay, what is it that we are looking for now? Because you can see that a break of structure. We have a break of structure here, and then the market is now going to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting, or this is what I'm looking forward to see on Nasdaq. On Nasdaq, I'm looking for a continuation. So the continuation, it will depend. I'm looking for a continuation. So at least if I can maybe see something like this. Let me check something here. Okay. If I can see something like this, if this market can push to the upside at least around this level, and if we can also check, we also have ourselves some base candlestick here, of which is our resistance. So if USD can push to the upside, I'll be looking forward to sell from this level to this level. So this is my setup. So going to smaller time frame, let me see if ever there's something. Yeah, there is something here, but it is not that clear. So we have this. So here we still have this structure here, but it's not yet clear. It will depend because I will be looking for something like this for a better structure. You see, at least we must have something visible. We don't have to force. We said this will be a good structure. So in this case, it will depend on what's going to happen here. If this market goes up here, we're going to have something like this. We're going to have something like this. If it breaks to the downside, I can consider selling. I can consider selling. Where is that thing? All right, let me move it above here. I can consider selling here if we have a breakdown, and then stop loss above, and then same thing if it breaks this level. And then if it goes up, we're going to sell from this level, and then stop loss above. So this one is a good trade because stop is a bit what do you call this? It's a bit small, yeah. It's a bit tight actually. So this will be a good setup. This is a good place to sell USD to the downside. You see, this is some sort of a continuation. We might hit this level before we continue to the downside. So hope you understood what I'm trying to tell you. All right, smaller time frame M15, yeah. M15 looks good. It's much better. It's much better. Good structure. You see something like this. So if it comes up here, it can come somewhere around this level. Where is that? Somewhere around this level. If it comes up here for a third touch, and then you sell, and then if it breaks out, you wait at least for a candle to close below, and then you sell to the downside. So this was US30, and then moving to Nasdaq. Nasdaq, you can see. Let me go to a bigger time frame. I said that this is what we are looking forward to see from here. It was a sell, and then our target is here. And then I remember last week I did an analysis. If you can check, I still have that drawing. I said Nasdaq, if it can come here, it will go up, and then we can sell somewhere around this level to the downside. But for now, I won't advise you to sell at the moment. So let me remove these drawings, but we still have to come and test this level. So remove everything, remove this one. All right, let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. I can't really call this structure, this one, but it's not bad. Yeah, we can use it. And then what do we have now? We have this kind of structure here. We have this kind of structure here. So my anticipation is that we are going to see Nasdaq fall into the downside. This will be our target. So okay, let me remove this one. So in this case, let's go to smaller time frame and see what's happening. Smaller time frame, let's go to M15. I really don't like M15. So M15, we have this kind of structure here. And this one. So this might break out to the upside and then come down and then does like something like this. So if it does something like this, it means you're going to wait for it to come back inside. If it comes back inside, that's when you're going to sell and then take profit. So if it breaks and then it creates some sort of a continuation outside here, and then we are going to do what? We are going to buy after a breakout of this continuation to the upside. But I'm still looking forward to see it come to the downside. So let's remove this. So yeah, something like this. You can sell when it hit this level, but the stop loss is going to be wider. That's the problem. So you have to wait at least for breakout of this level here. You have to wait for a breakout of this level. So if it breaks out this level, you can do something like this and then stop loss, and then profit on this one. Or if it comes up here, that's what you're going to sell and then take profit here. So it will depend. I will be updating you on this one since it's not that much clear. But yeah, this is our structure. So we can have a third touch. Let me remove this one. This one is bad. So we can have a third touch here. So if we have a third touch, and then you know that I'm going to, or you are going to sell to the downside on this one. Ger30. Ger30, our sell, we nearly hit our take profit here. Going to smaller time frame, I said Ger30 will drop from here to this support, and it did exactly what I said it was going to happen. If you can check here, you see. So let me remove some of these things. You see exactly. It never went back to the stop loss. It went straight down. So Ger30. Let me check smaller time frame here. This one, it will depend. Let me go to M15. Let me remove this one since we are done. We have an impulse to the upside. So this is my anticipation right now on this one. It will depend on what's going to happen. So Ger30, if it breaks out of this structure, it means we're going to continue to the downside. But for now, I will take a risk and then buy. Somewhere below it. Stop loss is going to be somewhere below here, and then take profit. Take profit. I can't really say hold this one for that long. Yeah, let me change time frames because this looks more of a impulse and then correction, and then we are waiting for another impulse. So you can consider this one as your first take profit, and then which one around this level it can be a second TP, and then if it's to hold, you can hold up until to this level. So this is what I'm looking forward to see on this one. But it will depend. It will also depend. But let's wait on this one, and then I think I'm going to tell you what to do on this one. I think I'm going to tell you what to do. I can call for a signal, and then we will see. So okay, watch out for this candlestick. So if this candlestick close bullish, then you can buy, and then stop loss, it will be below it. Just look out for this 15 minutes candlestick. If it closes above as a bullish candlestick, and then buy, and then your first take profit is going to be this one, and then second take profit, and then third take profit. So these are my setup for the indices. This one, let us remove. This one, they are no longer necessary. These ones, they are no longer necessary. Remember, whenever you trade, use proper risk management. Don't just use your full margin just because you were given a signal. it is also good to do your own analysis after given a signal. Don't just trade sometimes because you trust someone. We all have our own view, but there is always going to be the best. So for now, yeah, this is going to be my setup for now, this one. So yeah, I'll tell you what to do. So you can also watch out for that 15 minutes candlestick. If it closes bullish, bullish, how many minutes left? About 11 minutes. After 11 minutes, check what's happening here, and then that's when you're going to buy if it closes, and then stop loss somewhere below for a good risk reward ratio. You see, you buy and then first take profit, second take profit, and then third take profit. So yeah. All right, DXY, for those who are trading DXY, this was my analysis. I was expecting it to come back here after we had a major sell somewhere around this level, and then it went up, but it never took us out this one. So I'm still expecting it to see, I'm still expecting to see this one come down. So I'm no longer more, I'm not more of a correlation trader, but I just noticed that when DXY is dollar index, when it goes down, GbpUsd goes up, because I think I gave you, where's GbpUsd? GbpUsd, where are you? I think I gave out a signal on GbpUsd, a buy. All right, yes, GbpUsd. We have a buy on this one. We have a buy on this one. This is our buy, but I'm not going to discuss it. This is our buy, and then DXY is going down. So if you trade the dollar index, I think you must consider selling it where when it breaks this level, and then when it breaks this level, you can sell, and then stop loss above here, and then take profit. It will be here. Or when it comes back up here, up for a third touch here, then you can sell it. Let me remove this one. You can right, you can sell this one when it comes. Stop loss, take profit. Stop loss is going to be somewhere here when it goes up for a third touch. So when it breaks out, you're going to sell, and then stop loss is going to be something like this, depending on where it's going to break out. It's going to be something like this. So yeah, 1, 2, 3. We still have a sell here, but I tried to look for, I think that sell was somewhere around this level, if I'm not mistaken, because the stop loss was a bit wider. Yeah, this one, it nearly took us out. And then this is our take profit. This is what we are having on this one. So 1, 2. So this one, I was expecting it to come back up here and create a continuation before it comes down. So we can remove this one because it failed. It never did what I expected it to do. I was expecting it to do something like this. So this is our setup here. So in the meantime, when this one is going down, expecting GbpUsd to go up. This is correlation dollar index. So yeah, guys, so let me go back to which one? So this one you can buy now. You can buy because you can see the way it moved up. You can buy, just buy now, and then stop loss below. Buy. If you are watching this, buy. It's a buy. So buy. So thank you guys for watching this video. I'm going to post it on YouTube. So if you are new to our YouTube channel, please subscribe and like, and press that notification bell to be notified whenever I post a video. So thank you guys for joining, and then thank you guys for supporting me. This is your boy MK. So I'm signing out. Peace, guys.